Bless this brotherhood and sisterhood of ours,
Bless this brotherhood and sisterhood of ours,
so that we may succeed
so that we may succeed
in all its life, fields, and endeavors.
in all its life, fields, and endeavors.
Enlighten and strengthen
Enlighten and strengthen
our city chairman,
our city chairman,
our district chairman,
our district chairman,
Chapter Grand Presbyterian,
Dr. Grant Tresquillo,
Chapter Grand Lady Presbyterian,
Dr. Grant Lady Tresquillo,
so for them to maintain
for them to maintain
the highest standard of decision making,
the highest standard of decision making
for better and successful,
for better and successful
Tau Gamma Pi, Tau Gamma Sigma, fraternity and sorority.
fraternity and sorority.
Amen. Happy 56th founding anniversary of Tau Gamma Pi. Arriba! Arriba! Arriba Tau Gamma! Arriba! I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone na nakiara sa natin and man-witness celebration at yung 3 minutos de Lumia. Thank you kasi natabes na natin sa otro barangay na para pwede naman sa mag-gather kung nandito mga brothers sa Lumia. Gracias, brother, na pwede sa Eskianda. Kung kakita man ako dito mga bisita, brother. Kung nandito sa Sisma, tali atras. Kung kakita man ako. Kulang mga Kenya tendaran, thank you kasi ang dosis square po available ara. Sabi yun, so lagi, yapit yan doon, September pa lang. Tapos sa rason, kung sabi ko ma'am, maka-imper mo October 4. Ay lagi, yan lang po yung lang yung trabaho, kese, muna, tayo na. Say lagi, yan siya pa yan na, Zoom, nasi Sera, thankful lang yun kasi in behalf of Seven Master and Chapter during the Managalong time struggle you face different challenges, but despite of challenges and struggle nakita tayo nag-gather tayo naligriya, hundo-hundo tas kalibra. Arriba Tau Gamma! Thank you, Honorable Batch All-Star, Honorable mga Batch, kung Lord Echino, kung dito mga brother, kung Sir Marvin, kasi kung hindi, for us kung Sir Marvin, nuway kita harapin nyo, siguro tanya lang kita ulit na kamino. Tukita ka naman, Sir Marvin. Kami, Dinias, Donald Dato, Seven Master, kung dito, DGT Internal, si Brother Denz, thank you brother, kami kama mo. Kung DGT Internal, si Brother Mark, kami kama mo.